Good evening. Today we will study section 134 of Companies Act 2013. Today we will discuss subsection 1, which is authentication of financial statements. What is authentication of financial statements? In audit and in company law, we need to verify the financial statements. So section 134 clause 1 provides that the financial statements, including consolidated financial statements if any, shall be approved by the board of directors. So as we all know, financial statements needs to be approved by board of directors before they are signed on behalf of the board, at least by the following. Now there are 5 persons who needs to sign the financial statements, but first board of directors approval is necessary. So on behalf of the board, who shall sign these financial statements? Who shall sign these financial statements? So there are 5 points mentioned, at least by the following. So number one is chairperson of the company where he is authorized by the board. If board authorized, then chairperson of the company shall sign the financial statements. Then or first chairperson, then or this or two directors, in which one shall be managing director. Now third point is CEO if he is a director in the company. Third point is CEO if he is director of the company. Fourth point is CFO and fifth is company secretary. Third is chief executive officer. Then fourth is CFO and third is company secretary. CFO, then company secretary. These all are the people, at least these people should sign on behalf of the board the financial statements of the company. तो आज हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं कंपनी एक्ट का सेक्शन 134 का पहला सब सेक्शन पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसमें फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट का ऑथेंटिकेशन करना होगा. कौन करेगा फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स का ऑथेंटिकेशन? क्योंकि ये कंपनी है, कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स है, तो सबसे पहले बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स तो करेगा ही. अप्रूव करने के बाद कौन साइन करेगा? चेयरपर्सन नहीं कर रहा है तो डायरेक्टर, 2 डायरेक्टर जिनमें से एक डायरेक्टर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर होना ही चाहिए. CEO साइन करेगा, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर. CEO तभी करेगा साइन जब वो डायरेक्टर होगा कंपनी का. फोर्थ है CFO को करना पड़ेगा साइन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में. कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को करना पड़ेगा फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में साइन. नाउ इन केस ऑफ 1 person company, who will sign the financial statements? Because this is a 1 person company. Now in case of 1 person company, who shall sign the financial statement? It shall be signed by only one director. Signed by only